Hello and welcome to our channel. Because we all heard about it last year, NFT was chosen as World of the Year for 2021. There must be a reason for this. We bet that you already know a little about crypto and NFTs because of all the hype. You might even be tempted to buy a few things that aren't valuable in the hope that you'll find gold. So why not make money with your NFTs, too? There are kids out there making millions of dollars with their NFTs. The biggest NFT market in the world, OpenSea, broke all-time sales records at the start of 2022. This shows that the market is flying like never before. The good news is that things are going well for now. If you want to get in on the action, it's a perfect time. In this video, we'll show you how to find a good NFT investment, and what to keep in mind if you want to make sure you're making the right choice. What is an NFT? First, a quick review of what an NFT is. You can use a non-fungible token, also called an NFT, to show that not only is an item yours, but also that it's unique. It's easy to prove that NFT transactions happen because they happen on blockchains. This means that provenance, authenticity, and ownership can be tracked and proven at all times. It's kind of like having a receipt that proves that you own an item of which there is only one in the world. They can be anything, from gifts to memes to sports memorabilia to music clips. NFTs can be used to make things like this. It doesn't matter if it's physical or digital, anything that can be uniquely identified can be turned into NFTs. Proof of ownership in a digital world where it was so easy to copy, download or replicate content has been a game changer. People are starting to see the huge potential it has, and they want to use it. Before you buy an NFT, think about these things. All NFTs aren't made the same. Most NFTs are made on the Ethereum blockchain. However, Ethereum's proof-of-work consensus mechanism has had some problems and has been widely criticized because of things like network congestion and the high gas fees it charges. This makes it less appealing than other blockchains like Solana, which are faster and cheaper. Before you know which NFTs to invest in, it's important to think about this. It will have an impact on which digital wallets to use, what marketplaces to look at, what kind of NFTs could be on sale, and so on. Another thing to think about is whether you want to buy a whole collection of NFTs or just one NFT. There will be a starting point for collections like CryptoPunks that have a set template. Then, each NFT will have different traits and characteristics. This is a model that seems to be popular with people in the crypto world. Besides, there are a lot of NFT mints going on all the time. There are platforms like Rarity Tools and upcoming NFT art that can help you stay up to date on the most exciting new NFTs that are coming out soon. Many people who don't have a lot of money to spend on a Bored Ape NFT like to get in early and buy an NFT at the mint and the original offering price. They want to buy newly minted tokens that can be sold for a higher price when they're sold in a secondary market. How do you know which NFTs are the best to buy? There aren't any hard and fast rules for choosing which NFTs to invest in and which projects are going to be big in the future. Even though the NFT industry has been around for a while, there aren't any hard and fast rules. However, some things could help you find a good NFT project. NFTs are usually part of a collection, like the CryptoPunks or the Bored Ape Yacht Club. They can also be a single item. In terms of the price and value of your NFT, this is an important feature. We've seen some projects get a lot of attention from the public and get support from famous people, which has led to a rise in prices for smaller and less well-known NFTs collections. As a rule, a successful digital artwork NFT will be visually appealing and appealing to a wide range of people. Again, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but if you want to be an investor, you'll need to be able to look at things softly. When investing in NFTs, it's a good idea to look for the rarest tokens because, in theory, they should keep their value over time. It's possible to use platforms like Rarity Tools to figure out how rare an NFT is, like how many times it has been made. According to Rarity Tools, the total rarity score for an NFT is the sum of all its trait values, which is the rarity score for each of them. This formula is used by the platform to figure out how rare a trait is. How the rarity score for a trait value works is as follows. 1. Number of items with that trait value. Total number of items in collection. Those interested in Solana NFT projects can check out how Rare.is and Rarity Sniper. Team members. An NFT project should be open about its team members and include important information about them, like their names and roles. Some of the best NFT projects are led by well-known digital artists and people who work in the crypto industry, which is likely to help their reputation and credibility. Involvement of the community is a good way to tell if a project is good or not. Some of the best NFTs will have a Discord channel, a blog, or another type of forum where people can talk about their NFTs. A holder distribution ratio can be found by dividing the number of NFTs available by the number of holders. This ratio shows how many NFTs are held by each person. This should be a low number. The market could change if a small group of people had many NFTs, so you don't want that to happen, and lead to a price-fixing situation. Map. A project with a clear goal and way to get there will have a healthy NFT. It might be helpful to look at the NFT artist or developer's roadmap to see how likely the project is to be successful in the future. This is another metric that gives investors a bird's-eye view of an NFT. The frequency of sale will show investors how many times an NFT or group of NFTs have been sold in the past and how many times they have been sold now. It refers to the lowest price at which an NFT can be bought, called the floor price. Keeping an eye on the floor prices of an NFT can show how popular or not it has become over a certain amount of time. As long as NFTs are being looked at, it doesn't hurt to have one more piece of data. Investors might want to use a platform like Solana Floor for Solana-based NFTs on a platform like OpenSea. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.